I don't bring up now. Let me call me bring up now.
Batman! You even get ring safe. Eh? Hey.
Ha! What's going on here?
What you doing? Iko.
What's up, people? It's OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Do you really want to laugh? If you really want to laugh, then it's time to subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification, because what I do here is comedy reaction 100%. I give it to you guys back to back, so don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Baby girl, you know I love you though. You could tell my secrets, but I love you don't.
Talkless.
I could take you anywhere you wanna go.
Okay. Let's watch this video. Who please?
Yeah, who's that? I'm coming.
My baby. What be this?
Hey.
What be this?
Oh God.
Talkless, who's this? What's this noise?
Nice, wait at this too.
Hey, before you go won't say anything, tell him to go outside.
Go outside. The guy knows something.
Go see for house. Guy, you never pay me now. But work never start.
Continue.
You don't see the intro where I give you. Intro we no sweet. You know something pay I say. I will go see for house. We go see for house.
Which kind of thing be all this one now?
We go. I go see.
I know you like all this kind of thing.
Guy, no let me
About
know
they
your
go
face.
out.
I go know your face. I go know your face. Now let me say me come up on your house and you dey. No, na baby girl.
Talkless, what are you doing here? You didn't tell me you were coming.
Okay. You don't forget.
Forget what?
Our anniversary now. Today be our anniversary.
Which anniversary?
Why you do like that now? Now today our relationship reach 1 year. I did.
You don't reach 1 year.
You don't forget say that October we meet last year. You quit forgetting this girl.
I know it's not October, but it never reached 1 year now.
I don't think they count out.
I wonder. Talkless, this relationship where you dey claim, how many times you don't give me money?
I saw that they count out.
Answer my question. How many times you don't give me money?
Let's have it.
I did. Be like say the relationship never started.
What type of plane is this?
Relationship where you dey claim, you never for once give me money. You never for once buy me gift.
This is
But you
plane.
come now, come celebrate anniversary. Shame not they catch you.
That one our first year of our relationship now. This year we dey go like this now. Things go change. I will give you gift. I did.
Yeah, what up?
But anyway, since you don't come bring gift, I go take and say now. Our relationship dey start. Yeah? Go. Now why? Try this thing light so. Now check the inside.
Run no. It's more than check.
You know what?
I talk am.
God have mercy upon us.
What is this?
And my love for you.
Jesus.
You bring flower, come give me Talkless. You bring flower for me. Continue. In fact, this relationship, before we go continue, you go toast me again.
You like that?
You go toast me again. Yes. Take your box.
Alright, go touch down.
If somebody, if that, oh my God.
This guy don't get said that.
Give me the money, please. Eh? Give me the money. Calm down. There's no money in this house.
I know you want to rob us. I'm not stopping you from robbing us, but that is a wrong sentence. It is not, oh God, give me the money. What's give me? It is, give me the money.
I no come here come play. Give me the money, John.
Sorry, it is not, I no come here come play. Gosh, no, it is, I did not come here to play.
This are no serious.
If this speaking corrects me again, now you are go shoot.
I know you really want to shoot him. I'm not stopping you from doing so, but that is a wrong vocabulary.
Jesus!
Who's your English teacher? It is, I will shoot you. Repeat after me, say shoot.
Give me one more chance, eh? Now so they do anything for their school. Sure you hear that? She say make I shoot. What have I done?
This guy don't get sense. She knows how to do anything I make.
Hey, stingy man. Beggar.
Hey!
Beggar. How you tell to say this thing? I'm going to say it's the best.
Bros, avec come. What should they happen for there?
Now better dancing competition they go on there. Winner they go with gift, better jollof rice and meat. There they go so.
Jollof rice.
guy look at so.
So thank you. Come on, make some noise for all of them. Now this is how it is. If you want them to stay, you give me the word in. If you want them home, you give me the word out. Okay. In or out? Out. Thank you. Go home. In or out? In. Congratulations. In or out? Go see mommy. In or out? Congratulations. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the final lap. DJ, give it to them.
See my son's dance.
Okay, thank you. Make some noise for them. In or out? In or out? Congratulations, you're the winner. Mr. Light, bring the jollof rice. So congratulations, sir. You just won yourself a brand new jollof rice.
So now, because of rice time that they dance for.
Please give me the rice. I'm not eating here today.
Which one the man give you rice? When are the dance, no follow dance. No disturb me, me you na me no.
Oga, na rice never chop before. Give this small pikin food. Oga, give her rice, na small pikin now.
Which one be man give her rice? My follow man. When are the dance, why no follow me dance? People na leave me for here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to start the second dance competition, and the winner is going on with 1 plate of rice and 2 turkeys.
This one pass up. Yeah.
Ipena wewe.
Osaga, you owe your phone.
Come on,
Mama, call your mama. When I tell you this, give us give her.
Come on, mama now.
This dance, you know if you do this kind of dance, this one pass out. Mumu guy, you know if you do this one now. How to survive with 1K?
Hey, Kelvin.
What's up?
My ride is here. I'm on my way.
Alright.
It's a crela. If I go missing, now you. Real life for Joe. I am not a culture vulture.
They can't get for you. No. Back one side.
Madam, let the call gate for you now.
Yeah, hold on. Hello, Kelvin.
What's up?
Please call the gate.
They don't allow you pass for gate? God have mercy upon us.
The number you are trying to call.
My guy, allow us pass now.
Oga, call gate.
Hey, you. See, madam, I know they like all this, you know. I beg, call this now. Madam,
This driver is just here embarrassing.
What did they do the Uber driver? I mean, calm down now.
See, madam, in fact, calm down.
Oga, you rest.
I know they like all this.
Then I'm saying gate number ending with 91.
He said you guys' number ended with 91.
Now how many phone be this? Make him call the number.
Give the gate man phone.
He said I should give you the phone.
I know they collect me and call gate.
You know what, Colette?
Kelvin, me, I'll be going, I'm tired.
You boring get Chris.
Chairman, calm down. I don't listen to you. Chairman, I calm down. Relax.
You don't stop like this.
You don't come now. You don't run.
They play.
Go back. Come to do your thing now.
I think that for us now. My gosh.
Oh my God, are you okay?
Okay. I'm fine.
Are you sure? I just hit you.
Hit me? Did you hit me?
Yes.
Oh wow. I'm okay.
Thank God. Hello, baby. Hey! Oh man, I hit somebody, but he's fine. He told me he's okay.
I'm not fine.
I'm fine, make I die.
And for outside now they do in a barbing salon.
Devil has been waiting for you since to fail. And you just carry your destiny, give it to him, say, bros, do your thing.
There is a big question here. Now, who the check out?
Bro, like seriously, this Costco exchange, bro, is one of the best I've seen so far. They help me for my USD, my gift card, my cryptocurrencies. I'm fed by my car, open my mom's store, go to Lekki, build house, live soft life. Live a soft life. The Felicia don't know, she don't believe in the boy, bro. I know there are many scams out there that eat your money and run, but I know Costco exchanges are reliable. You don't need to pay, they're trustworthy, bro. I believe in them so much. We're going to make it divine. Costco exchange.
Stop now, stop the car. Come on, go catch the woman now. Yeah. I'm gonna Danjuma.
You walk. My bad, I go you get. You walk. I go.
What's going on here? How about man? He know they fight woman, man. He don't bite a woman. He know they fight woman. He know they.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
I'll say you do okay. How about man? Now sleep I dey sleep. How you go dey fight a woman, man?
Me Desperado fight woman. See, I can never fight woman for this life.
But you won't give an uppercut, man.
See, I tell you, me and Slim Bullet will not fight for this life. People they see us like cat and rats. But the truth is, say, I love be like cockroach and sardine. What do you mean? I can never explain it.
So no be fighting and you fight.
Now fight be our love language. You said mind your business.
Now honey.
You don't look collect blue for eyes, but people really do.
My God.
You look so fat.
Baby.
You look so sweet.
Baby, one new jerky. I go bring the key come.
Okay.
Go cruise around. Baby.
I'm running late already.
Wait and eat now.
Don't worry, I'm running late.
The food is almost ready. Just wait and eat.
Don't worry. I need to meet up with this meeting in the office by 9 a.m. I'm late already. Don't worry when I come back.
They go now.
What's going on here?
Where's the car?
They don't carry motor come on.
I told Danjuma to watch this car now. I told him.
Danjuma!
Come here. Where's the car I told you to watch?
Nah, Madam Brodda and drive and come out. Desperado.
Desperado!
Jesus.
You see? I've been telling you this about this your brother. I've been complaining about. Wait, hold on. What if you gave him the F20 to drive my car? My personal car out of this compound?
You just calm down, man. Maybe he went to get something. He'll be back.
Yes, wait. Carry woman come out.
I provide everything in this house to get what? I've been saying this, I don't know, this your brother, he lacked home training. I blame your parents, eh?
No, baby, now calm down now. You'll be back soon, just calm down.
Back soon, I'm only late.
I wonder.
This your brother, we something bad will happen in this marriage because your brother.
Stop. Push and come out for your house now. Which kind of nonsense without.
Please go and get me the leather ski. Go and get me the leather ski, let me leave here. Desperado.
No worry,
I need Danjuma. Don't put that gate for him next time.
Now let me take come on.
Open now, can you help me here? What is it now? Where's my husband's car? Where's the car you're opening now?
Auntie, you go calm down. You go calm down and listen. Calm down.
Is it Guinea?
See, my tell you, supposed to be time or say you see your last card alive.
Wait, see you alive? What's my business of you being alive? Where is my car?
See, you could just give me like 2 or 3 to 4 working days.
For what? For what?
For small body work.
Is that what it?
Don't smash. Don't smash in car.
I could have killed a lot.
Baba, I go finish you, the wine. Motel.
Madam, I the Garina. You never fool. Oh yeah. Call your account.
Oga, I know the collect transfer. Now cash. Give me cash.
Madam, you know Ajara.
I beg. You know say things don't cost.
Oh yeah. Call account.
I beg. I know the collect transfer. Bad market.
All this market women, nobody they collect transfer.
Oh yeah, men I buy. Buy. Hey God. Men I buy. I did.
You don't see transfer.
Make I check. Yes, I don't enter. Take come back next time. Madam, buy.
Madam,
Who please?
you feel like say you dey accept transfer?
Yes, so my customer. Now why they sell quick? When make them think say na another thing. In fact, normally people know say no need to dey keep plenty cash for hand. Because cash suppose dey circulate. Money na money. Whether physical or transfer, we suppose dey accept am.
Exactly, my sister. See, in fact, at this period, we need to dey used to cashless policy. So apart from say customers no get physical cash, ATM dey, web internet banking dey, POS dey, mobile apps, QR code, USSD code, all of them dey. All of us suppose join head together.
You don't take time to do adverts for us.
My brother, I say make this money dey circulate. Make I tell you. So people they don't want cash, so they now only transfer the one they do now. But you saw this market, all these traders, they know they like anything transfer. Now only cash.
My sister,
What exactly are you looking for in life? Mommy,
This Oga, you bless say they owe me since last week. Yes, now since first I remember.
hey! I no get cash here.
We did collect transfer.
This message is powered by the Bankers Committee.
Do that transfer now. Now you the shout transfer.
I don't understand. Why they gloomy like this? What happened?
She just break up with me today.
Why don't break up?
I did tell you.
Why you call the feel gloomy? I didn't say something to celebrate.
Oh bro, now you know say I love this baby.
Don't be you tell me say she be good girl. Don't be tell me say she be good girl. Now told her they make you the feel gloomy. Now wow. Somebody that even go if she says, has she greet me before in her life?
Of course you always beg for food.
I don't give a damn. Even though. Baba may we go outside, your fish plenty for river.
She get me catch one.
May we go that joint. May we see whether 1 or 2 shower go there. Baba, may we active.
But she no feel like make I just text her.
May you beg am say wait. No, make I hear that.
What you wear? I'm scared
When you
to
go,
wear.
God, the taller. You want beg taller? You want beg taller?
The next day.
$5.
How far? How you doing now?
Bro, no time saying I die or go digger babe. You may make it a feel sad.
It is smoky, Igbo.
What's the meaning of this now?
My bro.
Now which I know.
Hey! Hey. Baby, Sam's like, come now.
Our wife.
Very loud.
Yeah, it was when I was calling you go digger. Yes.
I didn't say anything. I didn't. No, I know.
You sat down here yesterday and you were saying that she's very rude. No. I was even saying that. It's because she used to beg for food. That,
do you understand?
Yeah. So I was not like trying to
Dollazs,
understand that yesterday.
No, I did not.
But it was like, no, you are rude. You are a gold digger. You cheat on me. You sleep with so many politicians and all. And I'm like, what? Hey. What? My own babe? No, I won't take that. That's why I asked him to come today.
Sorry, your wife. I did not say that too.
No, you said that. Stop lying now.
Our wife kill you there.
Yes.
See, they don't like us together.
I know. I
You have
noticed.
to stop being friends with this kind of people.
Yes,
honestly.
baby. Yes, baby.
This one.
Baby, can you me bring salt?
I'll get something.
If I come, someone will play game now.
Is the food remaining?
God have
Dollazs, you be same.
I don't.
Make I just.
No. You know for the go now.
Make I just.
No, you know for the go. Baby, he wants to run away. Babe, he's running away.
Dollazs, you no get sense. You be same.
You cannot bring up now. Let me call me bring up now.
Batman! You even get ring safe.
I know the ring when we want to engage you. Now you don't open beers. So what did they stop now?
Big engagement. With the dates.
Say yes.
Yeah, what are you?
Say
Say yes. They talk about that issue, they don't say yes.
Now wow.
I'm familiar, you know the dates.
We just they help each other. They do touch body, we they help each other now.
I know why now. Thank God say I don't lose. At least I still collect. I go drink beer now. For me, I drink when I enjoy. Get money. Pluto.
Cheers.
I to give Aboki. May refund.
You better she tell you truth though. Which kind of style is this one? Which kind of nonsense is this?
Oh my
Ha! I don't understand.
Breathe in.
My first patient
How?
as a chiropractor. You don't keep it wanted.
Who take her, who
We don't keep
who
person.
take her, she's a warrior.
What are you doing here?
Ha. Babe, I don't buy the gas system I buy for you now.
Since how many weeks ago?
Hey!
Babe, you know say they expect 1 or 2 now, and the way things they go now, I gotta gather myself to buy this gas for you.
See, the truth is I don't need this gas anymore.
Eh?
It's been a long time.
You know I just want to buy this gas for you.
But I don't need it.
Okay, no wahala. Ma go inside go rest.
Can't you see I'm on my way going out? Just come back later.
Okay.
My boss. My boss.
How far now?
I do. Now here they stay.
I have to arrange for my girl.
Now you get me this?
Yes.
What I don't know.
What you got to come inside?
One of my guys they stay here. So my gas finish. I come see my computer. I make no money. I take filler. But as I reach here now your woman they tell me say he don't pack.
Child, bad. What you gonna do like this?
No wahala. I go just go. I go also filler.
You na my guy. I go run something for you.
Okay, boss. Thank you.
Where I go send them?
That might take us back.
The gas man.
I don't send them.
Don't do am. I dey come and confirm am.
Well, blast!
I'm thinking send me so.
You na my guy.
Try. Use expectation for every good I go get here.
No problem.
Yeah.
Who's national
For my
correct?
car.
Oh, babe, I think I left it upstairs.
Okay.
Just by the couch.
Okay. I'm coming.
Okay.
So now my helper dey help you.
And so?
Yeah, now you will help me send something to my account. Now if you tell you help or something.
So let us start going. I'll send you later.
Blackmail.
Go here. So as I don't lose you, now I still lose money. I better send me money.
Send them.
Put that for that my take us bank.
I've sent it.
Yeah, now no wahala. Now I wait for my don and make come. My don.
Never still go.
No, I dey wait for you now. As you go collect your key, as I wait for you, may you now help me reach front.
Okay. You be my guy now, babe.
Let's go now. We are one.
Collect for here. Na correct guy.
Come on, give me money to make my hair.
I don't really have cash right now, yeah, but let me choose some cryptocurrency with RNG. You know they're very fast and reliable.
Yes, I do.
Alright. How much you need for the hair?
Any amount.
I just sent you 300,000 for the hair.
Thank you, baby.
You've not done your nails?
Yes.
Alright. I sent extra 150k for your nails.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you.
Your skincare products you told me about, it has finished too.
Yes.
I just sent you extra 300k just for your skincare products.
Thank you, my king.
Let's worship it now.
You dey bring money now. You don't become king. Versus when you don't.
Please, I'm trying to pay for something online and my network is bad. Please, can you pay for me?
Baby, the thing is, I'm kind of low on cash right now, so I'm not sure I'll be able to pay for you.
Okay.
Babe, please pass me the TV remote. Since you're pressing your phone, let me change the channel.
What? What?
Oh, so no get money now.
The remote. Let me change the channel. Remote.
I can't hear you, man.
You don't say you no get
I don't
money.
understand.
Jesus. You don't get money now. That's women say they see guys.
I'll never be broken.
I'll never be broken alive.
I can't even sleep for night.
Calamity.
Just give me 1 minute, eh? I will join you soon, eh? I beg you when I get CD for us.
What do you want this condom do?
Sure, be waiting. I want you something. I bet who get CD, Jerry?
I get to why they busy now. Once the babe come, I will go bring her for you.
Which one say when the babe come? Now blind when I enter this house with babe just now.
Now only you enter this house. You no carry any babe enter this room.
I beg, when I don't smoke colos. So now blind when I enter this house with babe. When I come and tell me say, I beg who gets CD, I beg.
What do you talk? She will go live for you. Not even enter this place now.
Are you playing?
Only me enter this house.
Not even enter now.
Hey! Not be juju be that.
Now one J carry come.
Hey, Alpha, Mona first now. No be the guy who deal with this. Mona see now.
Nobody inside this picture now.
Jesus!
What be this? What is this?
Now which you carry come?
You know that way they so.
You carry me jet house.
Officer, off this car.
Jesus.
Make sure you understand that guy well.
Young man, where are you coming from?
Officer, I'm coming from a shoot.
From a shoot.
Yes, sir.
So how many have you shot?
Well, officer, I've been shooting since morning. Shot in Ikate, Ologolo, Ochi, Ogombo. And I'm going to Songo Tedo for the last shoot, sir.
You must be a very hard-working young man.
You know, officer, as a good citizen of this country with good economy, I have to do my best.
Idiot!
All my life, I've done nothing less than shooting.
That's impressive.
It's all God. Well, officer, I've been shooting since morning. I shot in Ikate, Ologolo, Ochi, Ogombo. And I'm going to Songo Tedo for the last shoot. No!
Young man.
Officer, listen to me. I mean video shoot.
Listen to me, young man. That place you want to shoot your last shot, that is where our headquarters is. Can you move this car?
Officer, you know what?
Alpha, start this car. I'll wallow your eye.
What has my got to do with this?
Move that car. They will rat in jail.
Alright, so Bobrisky was arrested this morning at Brodda post on his way to escape to the Republic.
Shooting also. Even if you don't get sense, you don't understand what he means. Is that how dumb the Nigerian police are? You should know he meant shooting now, like normal. Even if you don't understand, you ask him what kind of shooting is that, because he's only a stupid person that will see a policeman and be telling him that he went on a shooting spree. Which kind of nonsense is that? Anyways, I'm not surprised. Anything that has to do with Nigerian police, anything is possible. You get. Thanks guys for watching to the very end. I really appreciate that. Did you enjoy it? What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right there in the comment section, and I'll make sure to give you a reply. You can also check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. I upload almost every day, so there are enough videos on my channel for you guys to keep you guys busy, you know, to make you laugh and all that. So make sure you're subscribed if you're yet to subscribe, because there's so many other videos coming your way. So go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. See you in the next one, guys. Love and peace.